Hello friends, this is Akshay More, working as a System Professor, Department of Botany at JMD Arts, BW Commerce and Science College, Sinnar. Friends, in our previous lecture, we studied about energy resources. Today we are going to start our next topic, that is land resources. Land resources. Friends, land is one of the most important resource. It occupies about the one-fifth of the earth's surface. uh, Friends, it covers by grassland, national forest, wetlands, agriculture lands, and desert land, rural and urban settlements. Friends, most of the essential material for survival of humans or animals and other microorganisms are provided by land. So soil is the top fertile surface of land. Formation of soil is slow but natural processes. So for the formation of 2.5 centimeter of soil requires at least 200 to 1000 years. You know that very well. You studied about this concept in geography. So the process of soil formation depends upon the natural factors like climates and soil types. Such a soil supports plants life and provide the habitat for humans, animals, and the most of the organisms. So next we have to see land degradation. So what is land degradation? Friends, when land or agriculture soil losses is it is fertility, so or become useless due to human or natural factors for crops harvesting, it is called as land degradation. Friends, in our country about 45% of the total geographical area is affected by various factors like soil erosion, wasteland, sandy areas, and desert or overloggings. So some causes for responsible for the land degradation, that is natural or some human factors. uh, so next soil erosion. So friends, soil erosion means wearing away the rocks or soil. The top fertile soil is the most of the useful components. So all the essential nutrients are provided to plants and by the fertile layer. Friends, but when this top layer of soil is eroded and you can say away by the agent, the fertility is a loss of soil. Thus the loss of topsoil cover is called as a soil erosion. Next, desertification. So first of all, we have to see what is the desertification. It is a very important topic or a concept. Friends, the desert formation is called desertification. The formation of desert called as a desertification, which is a normal phenomenon. The productivity of the arid or semi-arid lands decreases by 10% or more due to climatic changes for human activities. See here some types of desertification, and next one, the loss of the productivity in percent. First one, the moderate, the loss of productivity 10 to 25%. Next, severe desertification, and the loss of productivity is near about 25 to 50%. And third one is very severe, the loss of productivity is more than 50%. These are the types of desertification and its percent loss of productivity percent. Next topic, causes of desertification. Friends, this is the main causes of desertification, that is over exploitation of groundwater, deforestation, overgrazing, and urbanization, industrialization. So we have to see one by one. First one, over exploitation. What is over exploitation of groundwater? uh, Friends, due to over exploitation of groundwater, the water table goes to decreases in the area. So in deforestation, it brings about changes in temperature, rainfall, and what we say wind velocity. The bare of land without trees is unable to hold back the surface runoff. So due to high temperature, water is evaporate very quickly before soaking into the soil. This process increase the soil erosion and leading to loss of the fertility of water. In overgrazing, it is a main cause of the desertification. So due to overgrazing to increasing cattle population, the grassland becomes barren, which reflected more the heat changes and wind patterns and drives away moisture, laden clouds from the area and leads to more desertification. Friends, the dry barren land becomes loose and lead to soil erosion. In urbanization, the increasing and expanding urbanization requires more land and area for the settlement. Friends, the adjoining forest cover of the trees and cut down, which leads to desertification. Next one, industrialization. It is also the important cause which is affected in desertification, that is industrialization. In industrialization, meaning and carrying are main activities for development of industries, and such activities cause for loss of vegetal cover and denudation of large area and leading to desertification. It is the main cause. These are the causes of desertification. Friends, hope you understand this topic. Thank you.